Hello, my name is Justin Takamori for the ARC 235 class, the programs class, and in this class we learned how to do multiple programs, and throughout the semester we decided to take a plane, any photo of a plane off the internet, and work from that. The first thing that we did was really work in Rhino, but for Illustrator, for the plane, I had to come up with a color scheme. So we took some photos of a bird, we grabbed the main colors from it, and we created it into we put it into our plane, creating a color scheme. For our NURB surfaces, here I have a video playing of how I went for the NURB surfaces and worked with RhinoCam to finally come to mill, and we have my custom curves on the right side. And here we have the CNC milling with the custom curves that we created. And after that, we had to laser cut, and from our NURB surfaces, we created a triangulated mesh, which we converted into triangulated surfaces, and then we extracted that surface and then created a poly surface that we sooner had to combine together and unroll to come up with this laser cut for the plane. Lastly, we had to 3D print. So basically, we chose a photo off the internet and we brought it in to Rhino using height field, extruding it and whatnot, putting our plane on it. Unfortunately, I don't have a model to show you because during our process the power went out.
You can show them.
Yeah, nope, I don't want to. And next, through Pinterest. Pinterest is where we as a class uploaded our interest and our concepts that we would use for our plane. So here I really seen a walkway or of some sort, and that's what I used. In my first design, I didn't really stray far from the plane itself. I created a 2-floor walkway, skywalk, that would be up above high-rises, and the blue is the glass that you would see from the inside and out. Here I have a photo referencing how I got my design and why I decided to make it into a skywalk. From then, I didn't like the design that I had because it was too similar to the plane itself. So I had to transform it somehow into something else, where I came up with this new design where I basically changed the roof and I brought down the side so you can access the skywalk from the street. So it was more like a bridge skywalk. In my second design, I focused more on the roof, which was triangulated surfaces, to emphasize on the inside the height and the spaciousness of it, even though it wasn't that big. Here I have a photo showing the inside and how it made it feel bigger on the inside, even though it was confined to the smaller spaces. And on the bottom right, I have a photo of my interest on how I came to this conclusion. Here I have a study model. I'm referencing it to the left of my Rhino model because I took a portion of it because my design is so geometric. So to actually laser cut the roof, I had to split it into 4 pieces because it was so complex that it wouldn't unroll to laser cut. Then after that, we went into Illustrator, and from Illustrator we learned how to add colors and do gradients and textures and whatnot. And yeah,